People, this is Mello Vibes, and this song named No Storyline. Let's get right into this one.
Them your artists are just a sing what come to mind. Every song a sex shop or some yellow wine. The worst part about that, them just a rhyme. Them your artists are not use no storyline. Me sing enough good song, never get a dine. And enough man sing fuckery and get a shine. Feel like say me did a waste for me time, but me tired for your wait on a back in the line. Talk to the artists them we at, the one them we in the game and who not. Uno run out of time, me a take all the clock. Cause a long time man a wait round at the back. Right now me a bring in the new style them. New style, new lyrics and the new flow them. Stepping on me shoes, you buck your toe them. You living on me style from you know when. Pussy living on me style and me no get pay feet. Me write 2 song game when in bare feet. When the pussy hear the demo you a bare teeth. But me have to take back me song, it never pay feet. Nah straight the topic me a talk about the song them we sing. We need to put more lyrics in a for we thing. The storyline for your pump up with it. For instance a gun song bat fly like pigeon. You don't have to say bat fly well like pigeon. You can be different, say bad fly with the pigeon. Just a reminder to know me revisiting. And the boy we take me song, me forgive him. Him know say me hard cool and now he fidgeting. Nah straight the topic again, but he be kidding. Next song me a sing, please forgive me sin. But me a go back to the chorus from the beginning. Them your artists a just a sing what come to mind. Every song a sex shop or some yellow wine. The worst part about that, them just a rhyme. Them your artists a not use
no storyline. He is speaking facts, bro. Bro, a dog dep on the rhythm, bro. God, you understand? Full of lyrics. A dog no miss. You understand? People, one Mello Vibes. Check him out. I'm out.